Res sub judice, stay of suit Section 10 Civil Procedure Code, 1908 CPC. Introduction. Section 10 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908 deals with the concept of res sub judice. Res sub judice is a Latin maxim which means under judgment. It implies that where the same subject matter is pending in a court of law for adjudication between the same parties, the other court is barred to entertain it. The object of Section 10 of CPC to prevent the courts of concurrent jurisdiction from simultaneously entertaining and adjudicating upon two parallel litigations in respect of the same cause of action, the same subject matter, and the same relief. It also aims to avoid frivolous litigation and thus save the judicial system from the wastage of time and money of the state and of the litigant. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.